Welcome to 402 Container, your local solution for waste management services and dumpster rental in Waterloo, Nebraska. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out your garage, or managing a construction site, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters come in a range of sizes to suit your needs, from small cleanup to large projects. At 402 Container, we pride ourselves on our prompt and reliable service. When you rent a dumpster from us, you can trust that it will be delivered on time and picked up promptly when you're finished. With our competitive prices and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us with your waste management needs. And with our easy online booking system, getting the right dumpster for your project is just a few clicks away. Whether you're in Waterloo or the surrounding areas, 402 Container is your go-to choose for dumpster rental. Ready to rent a dumpster in Waterloo, Nebraska? Visit our website at www.402container.com dumpster rental Waterloo NE or give us a call at 402-979-5900. 402 Container, your local partner for waste management solutions.